And welcome back to the channel. Right now and new on everymandriver.com, the website, the 10 most expensive gas vehicles to own and operate. So between gas, insurance, depreciation, and repairs, the expenses can add up pretty quickly, but some vehicles cost a whole lot more to operate than others, and that's what this list is all about on the website. So the team over at Marketwatch Guides did the math and found out which luxury models can be a small fortune to own over 5 years. Leading the pack, the Porsche Cayenne, with a staggering 5-year running cost of over $56,000 to own that vehicle. Has nothing to do with the MSRP. So here are the top 10 most expensive vehicles to operate. Here's the full list from 10 to 1. I'll continue with a report here. MarketWatch's calculations included fuel and financing costs as the major expenses of the Porsche Cayenne. Over 5 years, financing costs hit just over $18,000. Fuel costs reached almost $17,000. Insurance, maintenance, and taxes made up the rest of the expenses. So those are the factors, the data points that came together for this report. On the flip side, the Hyundai Venue. Now that little one, that little Venue emerged as the cheapest car to run over 5 years, just over 22 grand, less than $23,000. Again, not including the MSRP. Now, even though EVs are generally cheaper to operate than gas vehicles, they still come at some hefty costs. For example, the Porsche Taycan's 5-year running cost is 53 grand. The Audi e-tron GT comes in at almost 49,000, and the BMW iX at 45,000 and change. Interestingly, MarketWatch didn't factor in depreciation for these running cost calculations, which will bring down the value of the car later. But they did analyze which cars depreciate the fastest and slowest. The Audi e-tron GT depreciates much quicker than the Audi A3, with a 5-year depreciation of $7,800 compared to about $3,000 for the A3. The Toyota RAV4 LE and RAV4 Prime had the smallest depreciation gap, with the gas model losing about $3,700 in value versus the plug-ins, which is only $1,200 in value over that same time period. So most EVs tend to have a better residual value than internal combustion engines, or ICE, after 1 year, but this trend reverses over 5 years, with EVs depreciating almost as fast as their gas counterparts. Again, and once it hits that 5-year mark. And keep in mind, this study was likely conducted before the recent dip in used EV values. So if you're thinking about which vehicles to buy, consider these operating cost and depreciation factors before making that ultimate decision. It might save you a lot of money in the long run. To take a closer look, as well as some complimentary videos, you can visit everymandriver.com for the 10 most expensive gas vehicles to own and operate. In the meantime, if and when you are in the market for a new vehicle, check out quotes.everymandriver.com. It's my go-to for insider access to dealer pricing, the best prices and lowest prices in your area from qualified dealerships. Make, model, zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, expand that zip code. Be willing to travel a few miles to save a few hundred, possibly a few $1,000s on a new or used vehicle by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a link below this video. That's my video for today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe if you haven't already. It's free and it really helps support this channel. See you next time. Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video.